Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PU accountancy online classes. In the previous class, I have solved two problems. Then I gave one problem for assignment. Amar, Akbar, that is fifth problem, and Raga and Tala, sixth problem we have solved. And seventh problem, Chaya and Maya, I gave it as assignment problem for you. Now let me move on to the next problem, that is problem number 8, same page, that is page number 32 of your question bank. A bit different, given in a different way. Let us read the problem, and in the meantime let us analyze and let us solve the problem. Pradeep and Sandeep are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Pramod into the partnership and offer him 1/6 share, which he acquired in the ratio of 3:1 from old partners. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Remember friends, whenever you get the word in the ratio of, then whatever ratio is given is not the sacrifice ratio. Make sure of it. You have to calculate sacrifice ratio, then you have to arrive at the new profit sharing ratio. So, acquired in the ratio of, obtained in the ratio of, then that means the given ratio is not the sacrifice ratio. You have to calculate sacrifice ratio, then you have to derive the formula and you have to arrive at the new profit sharing ratio. Now, let us solve the problem. First, before arriving at the new profit sharing ratio, what we have to do is, we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So, let us calculate calculation of sacrifice ratios of Pradeep and Sandeep. Calculation of, write the heading, that is calculation of sacrifice ratios. Sacrifice ratio of Pradeep and Sandeep. Yes, it is. Pradeep and Sandeep. Pradeep and Sandeep. Yes. Share of, that is new partner, 1/6 share, that is a Pramod. Share of Pramod. New partner is equal to, given in the problem, that is 1/6, 1/6. This is sacrificed by Pradeep and Sandeep. Pradeep and Sandeep in the ratio of, what was the ratio? 3:1, which he obtains from old partners, means the old partners have sacrificed, meaning is same. The new partner acquired or obtained in the ratio of means the old partners sacrificed in the ratio of, meaning is same. So 3:1 ratio is the sacrifice made by the old partners. So what we have to do is, Sandeep's share 1/6 of this 3/4 is the sacrifice made by Pradeep, and 1 by 4 is the sacrifice made by Sandeep. That means 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 is the sacrifice made by Pradeep, because they told this has been sacrificed, or the new partner Pramod obtains in the ratio of 3:1. This he obtains in the ratio of 3:1 from the old partners, which is nothing but 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 is the sacrifice made by Pradeep, and 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, 3 plus 1, 4 denominator, 1 by 4 is the sacrifice made by Sandeep. That is what we have to understand here. That itself, when we simplify it, we will get the sacrifice ratio. Therefore, sacrifice ratio SR, sacrifice ratio of Pradeep is equal to 1/6 of 1 by 6 of 1/6 of new partner's share. New partner's share. That is how much? New partner share. Sorry, 3/4. 3/4 of new partner's share. 3/4 of new partner's share. New partner's share is 1 by 6. Is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 6. Remember, new partner's share is 1 by 6, and this is sacrificed by Pradeep and Sandeep, old partners, in the ratio of 3:1. So 3:1 means 3 plus 1, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 is equal to, simplified, 24. This is 3. This is the sacrifice ratio of Pradeep. Therefore, sacrifice ratio of Sandeep is equal to 1/4 of new partner's share. 1/4 of new partner's share is equal to that is 1 by 6 new partner share. Now is equal to 1 by 4, 1/4 of means into new partner share, that is 1 by 6 is equal to 4 6 24. 1 is the numerator, 1 by 24. This is the sacrifice made by Pradeep and Sandeep. Now, what we have to do is we have to calculate the new ratios of the partners. Therefore, new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. What you have to do is you have to write in full. New ratio within bracket assign NR is equal to old ratio within bracket OR minus sacrifice ratio within bracket SR. Then you can use the short forms. I didn't write in full, so make sure in exam don't do the mistakes. Therefore, NR of Pradeep is equal to his old ratio minus his sacrifice ratio. I will continue here. His old ratio was how much? Given in the problem 5:3. So 5 plus 3, 8. 5 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8 minus his sacrifice ratio how much? 3 by 24 is equal to 8 3 is a 24. Take 24 as the common denominator because it is divisible by both the numbers 8 and 24. So 8 3s are 24 here into 3, multiply the numerator also by 3, 15, 15 minus 3 is equal to how much? 12 by 24. 12 by 24. Therefore, new ratio of NR of the other partner, second partner Sandeep is equal to his old ratio minus his sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio was how much? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 minus his sacrifice ratio we have already calculated 1 by 24. 1 by 24. Take 24 as the common denominator, divisible by both the numbers. 8 3 is a 24, multiply the numerator also by 3. So 3 3 is a 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 by 24. 24. Therefore, NR of new partner, what was his name? His name was Pramod. Pramod is equal to SR of the old partner. It is given in the problem, he is given 1 by 6th share. No need to calculate, but still, if we add the sacrifice made by both the partners, it is the new ratio of the new partner. Very simple. 1 by 6. Bring it to the common denominator. 6 4s are 4 by 24. Or we can calculate like this. SR of, that is Pramod, plus SR of Sandeep is equal to how much? 3 by 24. 3 by 24 plus 1 by 24 is equal to 24 remains as it is, because equal numbers 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 24. Therefore, NR of Pramod, Sandeep and the new partner, Pradeep, Sandeep and Pramod is equal to, I will write it here, how much? New ratio. Pramod is 12 by 24. Pradeep is 12 by 24. First partner is to second partner, that is Sandeep. It is 8 by 24. 8 by 24. And the new partner Pramod, it is how much? That is 4 by 24. 4 by 24 we have already calculated. Here I think sacrifice ratio of, it is Pradeep, first partner. It is Pradeep plus sacrifice ratio of Sandeep. That is a new ratio of Pramod. Remember, is equal to or 12 is to 8 is to 4. Now you can further simplify it. Or divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. This is the new ratio. 3 is to 2 is to 1. Therefore, the new ratios of Pradeep, Pramod and Sandeep is equal to Sandeep and Pramod is equal to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Right. Final answer. Pradeep, Sandeep and Pramod is equal to 3:2:1. Write this as the final answer in one sentence. Otherwise, you will lose 1 mark. For formula, they will give you 1 mark. For writing the final answer, they will give you 1 mark and 4 marks for calculations, stepwise calculations of both the partners. 2 marks each for each partner, like that. They will give you, they will award marks in the board exam. So be sure of it. So this is what we have to do. Let us move on to the next problem. That is problem number 9. Next page, page number 33. Page number 33, problem number 9. Prakash and Akash are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Ramesh into the partnership, giving him 1/5 share which he acquired from Prakash and Akash in the ratio of 1:2. Prakash and Akash in 1:2 ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Same way you have to solve. Similar problem, exactly similar problem. There they told, yes, in the previous problem they told acquired in the ratio of 3:1. Here they told which he acquired in the ratio from Prakash and Akash in the ratio of 1:2. So no change here, similar problem, waste of our time to tackle again the similar problem. So let me give this problem as assignment to you. I will solve one more problem, then take this problem as Prakash and Akash as your assignment problem. I will tell you again, once again I will tell you, what you have to do is you have to calculate sacrifice ratio here, because given 1:2 is not the sacrifice ratio. They told 1/5 share is given to the new partner. Old ratio of the old partners Prakash and Akash were 2:1. That means 2 plus 1, 2/3 and 1/3. That was the old ratio. And new partner is given 1/5 share or 1/5 share, which he acquired from Prakash and Akash in the ratio of 1:2. That means new partner share into 1:2 means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 denominator, 1/3 and 2/3. So new partner share 1/5 into 1/3 is the sacrifice ratio of Prakash, and 1/5 into 2/3 is the sacrifice ratio of Akash. If you simplify, you will get the sacrifice ratios. You have the old problem with you, given in the problem. You have calculated the sacrifice ratio. Write your formula. What is asked in the problem? They asked us to calculate new ratio. So new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Substitute the figures and get the answer, like I did in the previous problem. Clear? So take this as your assignment problem. I will solve one more problem, then we will close this class. Saraswati and Lakshmi, that is problem number 10, same page 33. Saraswati and Lakshmi are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. 4:1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is the denominator, 4/5 and 1/5 are their old ratios. Remember, Saraswati and Lakshmi. This is given in the problem. Then they admit Parvati as a new partner for 1/4 share in future profits, which she acquired wholly from Saraswati. Remember, in previous two problems we have seen acquired in the ratio of both the partners sacrificed a part of their share. But in this problem, it is very specific. They told very clearly the entire share given to the new partner was given by Saraswati, the first partner. That means Lakshmi has not sacrificed anything towards the new partner. So now we have to calculate new profit sharing ratios of all the partners. Let us calculate the sacrifice made by, that is Saraswati. No need of calculation here. because the entire share is sacrificed by Saraswati. That means 1/4 is the sacrifice ratio. 1/4 is to 0. 1/4 is to 0 is the sacrifice ratios of Saraswati and Lakshmi. Then now what we have to do is, let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Write a note first at the beginning. Write a note. As the entire share, of new partner, entire share of Parvati, that is how much was given to Parvati? 1/4, correct. 1/4 was sacrificed by Saraswati alone, comma, no need of calculation of sacrifice ratio. Next line, write the formula. New ratio NR is equal to old ratio OR minus sacrifice ratio or SR. Assign these short forms. Now we can straight away move on. Therefore, NR of Saraswati is equal to her old ratio minus her sacrifice ratio. Her old ratio minus her sacrifice ratio. Right, her old ratio is equal to, her old ratio was how much? Refer the problem. 4:1 means 4/5 and 1/5. 4/5 minus her sacrifice ratio, that is 1/4. The share given to Parvati, new partner, is the entirely sacrificed by Saraswati. That means sacrifice ratio of Saraswati is the new partner share itself. The entire share was given by Saraswati and Lakshmi didn't give anything to the new partner. So 1/4 is the sacrifice made by that is Saraswati is equal to take common denominator. 20 is the common denominator divisible by both the numbers, or 5 4s are 20. Very simple. Cross multiplication into 4. 5 4s are 20 and 4 5s are 20, because denominator is multiplied by 4 and 5. So 16 minus 5 is equal to how much? 11/20. This is the new ratio of Saraswati. Therefore, NR of Lakshmi is equal to, new ratio of Lakshmi is equal to how much? That is, sacrifice was not made by Lakshmi. 1/5, her old ratio minus her sacrifice ratio is equal to, old ratio of Lakshmi was 1/5, that is 4:1 among Saraswati and Lakshmi. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 1/5 minus 0, no sacrifice is equal to 1 by 5 itself. New partner share is already given in the problem. Parvati's share is given in the problem as 1 by 4. Therefore, NR of Saraswati is to Lakshmi is Lakshmi is to Parvati is equal to Saraswati is to Lakshmi is to Parvati is equal to, write their share. New ratio of Saraswati is 11 by 20. New ratio of, that is Lakshmi is equal to 1 by 5 is to Parvati's share given in the problem 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to, bring this to the common denominator, take 20 as the common denominator, divisible by all the three numbers. So, if you take the common denominator, then 5 4s are 20, multiply this also, numerator also by 4, 4 5s are 20, multiply the numerator also by 5. So, 11 by 20 is to 4 by 20 is to 5 by 20, or 11 is to 4 is to 5 cannot be simplified further. So, this itself is the ratio of the partner, new ratio of all the partners. So, the new profit sharing ratios of all the partners is equal to 11 is to 4 is to 5. 11 is to 4 is to 5. So, this is how you have to solve, because the sacrifice made by the second partner is 0. So, you just write the formula, substitute the figure like this, 1 by 5 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 5, so that the step will be very clear. Otherwise, chances may be there to deduct 1 mark for that, for not writing the step. So, don't forget to write the steps, because you will be given enough, that is answer paper. Don't worry about the pages. 40 pages booklet will be supplied. This time they supplied, this time they changed the rule, that is 2020 March they have changed the rule, that is they are supplying 40 pages answer booklet. If you want, chances are very rarely out of maybe 100 or 200 students, 1 or 2 students may take extra edition sheets, otherwise 40 pages are more than enough. So, no, don't worry and write step by step. Don't continue here like somewhere I have continued in the previous problem. See, like this, 9 minus 1 divided by 24. You just move on to the next step, that is next line. Don't write here is equal to 8 by 24, write below this. So, it will be very clear and legible. Remember this, clear. So, assignment problem I already told you. Problem number 9, Prakash and Akash. Take it as assignment problem and submit assignment on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.